Hi everyone. So Body Shop had a Holi sale just recently. So I have shopped these many of products from the Body Shop. I'm anyways a big fan of them. I love their tea tree range. I love their strawberry range. So I'll just share my haul with you what all I've got. So first of all, I have got something which was recommended to me, which is the banana shampoo and the banana conditioner. So I mostly try and match, the shampoo and conditioner. And because I have very dry, rough hair, I was told that this baby out here is going to help me a lot. So I haven't tried it yet, like it's just arrived yesterday. But I smelled it and it's smelling actually of banana custard. This has a very good smell. I don't know how it's going to smell in my hair, but I've got rave reviews of these. So this is what the first thing that I got. Secondly, I have got another shampoo rather. It is the ginger anti-dandruff shampoo. I've got a flaky scalp also as of now. So let's see. I heard that it really works on dandruff, flake clearing, scalp soothing shampoo. So let's see how this works as well. This I'll just smell it for you. I've not smelled it properly. It has when you mix honey and ginger, that kind of smell which comes. This has that kind of a smell. Consistency, this is a bit liquidy. These both these things are very fluidy kind of a thing, semi solid kind of shampoo and conditioners. Then I'm a big fan of their shower gels. I guess they're priced very well because the shower gel of 250 ml, this bigger bottle, costs for around 425 bucks, which is I guess decent because the shower gels are very good. I have taken moringa this time. Last time I'd used honey mania and I loved it. You would smell all day long very well. For the first 2 hours you'll actually smell of honey, but otherwise also you'll really smell good. Moringa, I guess, is a flower, soap free cleanser with moringa extract. It's a flower. Smells pretty good. Smells very similar to honey mania in some ways, but again it has a different smell. So this was another one. Also, I have the shower gels. For first time I've taken a body polish as well. I have used the strawberry range before. I've used their soap, their body butter and everything. But first time I'm taking a body polish, which is an exfoliating and cleansing lotion kind of a thing. I love their strawberry smell. It does not smell, of the regular strawberries that we get. It actually smells better. I guess it's the Mediterranean strawberry which they use. This costs for 650 ml for 650 rupees for 200 ml. I'll actually link all the prices below as well. And it's also a decent size. Let's see. Actually, most of the products that I'm showing till now, I've never used them before. So I really don't know that they're also first timers for me. And I just took a body sorbet also, which was from the Virgin Mojito range, because summers are here, and actually the Virgin Mojito smell is a very fresh smell. So it refreshes you in the morning if you apply such a lotion. I have used the Virgin Mojito cream and the shower gel, I guess, and I really liked it. So I took it. Good reason to take it. And the next I've got is things from the tea tree range. These are the handful of products that I've taken. They are all my second purchases, so I've already emptied one of the bottles of each of these products, and these shampoos, these creamy washes. So this is the tea tree cool and creamy wash suitable for blemished skin. This has worked very well for me. This is priced at 695 bucks for 100 ml. So they were having a sale where they were, one day they were having 25% off on 3 products, Monday on 4, and so on and so forth. So even if the sale is not going on currently, you don't have to worry. They mostly keep on having sales every now and then. And mostly it's on most products, so it's not a big deal. So this is the cool and creamy wash. This is my third tube that I'm using. I really love it. It's my staple. And with that I team it up with a squeaky clean scrub from tea tree. They work very well together. So I have blemishes on my skin and it really works. Till now it has really worked. This is a very good product which they've launched in the market, at least for me. Then I've got a toner. So the tea tree toner. This I've used once, like I used it from a friend, but I really liked it. It really soothes your skin. I don't know how much this works for blemishes, like removing the marks and all, but it really soothes your skin, so I really like it, at least in summers. And of course I got the body wash. Now of course on body, how much of blemish removal you require is debatable, but then I really like the smell of the tea tree range as well. It's very minty kind of a smell. So I took a body wash as well, and it's 650 rupees for 250 ml. So because it was on sale, I took it. And as they have shipping free for about 2500 only, so I'm a big fan of their hand creams also. I've taken Shea and Honey Mania. So I have one hand cream mostly in my one of my purses and my office drawer as well, and of course on my dresser. So whenever whenever it's a little lesser than 2500, I put a hand cream. So I put 2 hand creams this time. This retails for 30 ml. For 30 ml is for 350 bucks. But it really softens my hands, and so my face skin is oily and my hand skin is pretty dry. So I use a hand cream every now and then. So I just took these two. I keep, what shall I say, experimenting with the flavors. So this time I've taken Shea, last time I took Moringa, and so on. Honey Mania is of course a favorite of mine because I like the smell of honey. So this was all. This was the all of what I shopped from Body Shop. Please do let me know what are your reviews of these products, if you've used any of them, and do shop from Body Shop if the sale is still on. And otherwise, please don't worry, they keep on having a sale every now and then. So that's all for today. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.